We're diving into the innovative features of the Mokibo Fusion keyboard. I will explain how to turn the power on and off. The Fusion keyboard powers on automatically when you open the cover. Try not to place your fingers on the keyboard while the LED is blinking to allow the keyboard sensor to reset properly. The power turns off automatically when you close the cover, and the keyboard enters sleep mode after 20 minutes of inactivity. The following steps how to connect to your device. The first step is to check the battery. Before connecting, check the battery level. While holding down the FN key, check the LED indicator above F8. If it blinks red or doesn't light up, the battery needs charging. Orange or green means the battery level is sufficient. For a more precise battery level, please refer to the Quick User Settings section. The second step is to pair with your device via Bluetooth. To pair, hold down the FN key and press one of the Bluetooth channel keys, F9 to F11, for 2 seconds. The channel LED will blink, indicating it's ready to pair. In your device's Bluetooth settings, select Mokibo Folio. Once it shows a pairing message, press Enter. The blinking will stop, and your keyboard is now connected. Once pairing is successful, be sure to select the OS. Hold down the FN key and press F12 until the LED matches your device's OS. This selection is saved, so you only need to do it once per pairing. The LED colors are designed to correspond with each OS, making them easy to remember. But don't worry if you forget. Simply refer to the FN Plus Help section in Quick User Setting to check the LED colors anytime. In the final step, I will explain multi-device pairing and switching. The Fusion keyboard can pair with up to 3 devices. Use the 3 channels F9 to F11 to pair via Bluetooth by following the instructions in Step 2. To switch between channels, hold down the FN key and briefly press one of the channel keys, F9 to F11. When the LED blinks briefly and stops, the channel switch is complete. To emphasize once again, a short press switches the channel, while a long press clears the channel information and initiates repairing. Once you have successfully paired with your device, you're ready to enjoy the Fusion keyboard. I will explain the key features you need to know about. The Fusion keyboard smartly switches between keyboard and mouse modes based on your activity. While typing, it disables the touchpad to prevent accidental mouse movement. When it detects touch input, it seamlessly switches to mouse mode. There are 2 ways to perform left and right clicks. The smart button between the spacebar functions as a left click, and with FN key, it acts as a right click. Another way to click is to tap the touchpad surface for a left click, double tap for a double click, and triple tap for a triple click. 2-finger taps perform a right click. In keyboard mode, the smart button acts as the spacebar, so no need to worry about accidental presses while typing. The touch area for left and right-handed users is shown in the following image. The Fusion keyboard offers different touch areas for left and right-handed users. The default setting is right-handed mode. Refer to the User Settings section to learn how to change this. The Dynamic Touch Area feature allows you to use a larger touchpad area. The touch area automatically expands if your fingers cross the boundary while your left hand isn't on the keyboard. Placing your hand back or pressing a key reverts it to the original area. In left-handed mode, it operates oppositely. If you prefer keyboard-only mode, hold FN and press Caps Lock. The LEDs will show 2 green and 2 flashing red lights, disabling the touchpad. To re-enable it, repeat FN plus Caps Lock. All LEDs will flash green, activating both keyboard and touchpad. When the Fusion keyboard is turned off and on, both will be active by default.
For further assistance, feel free to reach out to Mokibo support.